1, 2, 1, 2. Good morning, everyone. Yeah. Oh boy. Did we make it? Is it working, chat? Dami Killer, Varisk, Gazi Udev, what's up? First name, last name, 9850X3D is a meme product, 5% more performance, but 24 more power usage compared to a 9800X3D. Gaming experience will be the same, just more noise and heat in the room. Do we have the test already, first name, last name? Like, where did you find that? Open Source Guy YouTube, what's up? Popol Var, good morning. Logic Slayer, Steven, guys, how are you? Chim, what's up? Sven Ivanov, Ferreo, good morning. Software Socialist, good morning. Guys, how are you doing? So, is this thing working? I think it is. Test. I don't know, dude. Oh, man. So Phoronix posted about it, waiting for my new 4K monitor to be delivered today. I'm finally moving out of the 1080p dark ages. Nice, dude! Can't you just overclock a 9800X3D into 9850X3D? Man, I'm gonna be struggling with this wording. I'm believing you can. Vintage Techie, what's up? Plushit Gersalat, what's up? Salut. It's on YouTube. Embargo lifted at 6 a.m. Pacific, so 45 minutes ago. Okay, so we're gonna be looking at it. Nice. The tests are everywhere. Okay. So what are we doing today? Today we're gonna be testing mainly my new streaming setup, should I say, and see if everything works. Like this is the ID, chat. And how to say that? It was working for a certain amount of time, but now it seems it's not working anymore. Sadness. So I can still read you, chat, no problem. But I set up something like a little bit more complex. And it's always good to try while it's live. Because, as we say over there is always a big difference between the theory and the practice. Right? Groovychen, what's up? Team, what's up? Ferreo, what's up? Like, my chat is all over the place right now. I don't understand what's happening. So did this thing crash? Wait. Maybe it just crashed. Let me check something, chat. I'm super confused by what I'm trying to achieve here. Okay, so it's on. Chat, what's up? Okay, now I see things. Okay, so now I see things. I don't know why it doesn't work, chat. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna put it on the side chat. I'm sorry about that. It usually works during testing. Exactly. So this is what happened. It's like, I'm gonna explain the setup I made, and I'm guessing you're gonna get a better grasp on what I'm trying to achieve here. But long story short, there is this software I really want to use, and it's called StreamerBot. And StreamerBot does not work natively on Linux. And even if you run it through Wine, because it uses like specific stuff, it just doesn't work. The software which is running in a VM on Windows, and it works. Like everything is connected, and it is working. Like it is working. I can see it connected, but somehow now the chat is not working as expected. So I think I made a mistake because I want you to go up in the chat. It's my fault, maybe. Wait. I want you to go up in the chat to see the previous message. And I did it. And okay, let me check. Password. This is a password. Ooh. Connect. Okay. Okay, can someone say something in YouTube, please? Just to see like what's happening. Like someone just spams the chat. Okay, I see it now. So yeah, it was my fault. YouTube doesn't exist, never existed. Thank you very much for chatting, you guys. So it's working. So I guess I made a mistake. Like always. I really don't know how this works. I think it's caching. I don't know why he's doing that. I don't know what's going on, dude. I can't refresh the whole stuff, so this is certainly my fault. I made a mistake, dude. So I'm gonna explain still because I think it's interesting. Yeah, it's working here. So when I connect So when I connect, I can tell right away what's happening and not happening. So via the browser, I connect to this platform, or connect to my WebSocket, and then connect to the WebSocket on the app and the VM, and then read the chat. I made a mistake. It was a big mistake, because what I've done is that I somehow refresh the page, and it gets stuck on what was written before, and I couldn't see the chat anymore. So now it's working. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that. Maybe just rechat and not, I don't know, not pause it or anything. But it seems to work now. So sorry about this. I'm learning with you guys, okay? I'll have to figure that out. Okay, so I'm gonna deconnect to the VM there, because I don't need to be connected to it already. I'm gonna read the previous message, and then we're gonna continue like nothing happened. Is there a chance that GLFOS will release all the wiki of the Nix options they use, so we can use them without having to search each file and each tweak? You should ask them that, dude. I don't think they're gonna do that. I want to be honest. I don't think it's gonna happen. There is no value added into that. If you want to work, if you want to learn, you're gonna have to do the work. Long story short. It could be my internet, but I'm getting some buffering. Oh, okay. So, are you on the new streaming card? Yes, we're gonna test that too today. Blur is coming. So the new Cosmic Deer release just dropped too. Okay, nice. Blur is coming for Cosmic. Opera GX is being ported to Linux, and GeForce Now is getting ported to Linux, and GOG is getting ported to Linux. Nice. So you guys have some buffering, huh? Something in YouTube. Thank you, Rocketeer. Thank you, guys, for saying something on YouTube. Audio cutting from me, but my net is hot garbage. For me, everything works fine. Okay. Could be the net, chat. So, everybody thinks it's buffering right now on YouTube, huh? So yesterday, Unbroken Software said in the comment section that they are working on a launch box for Linux. Salut Ahmed, you aren't buffering on Twitch? Okay. We had few buffering. It has been a while since the last one. Okay. So I'm checking out my stats right now. And the stats look perfect. I don't have any drop frame. And everything seems to render properly. Using a YouTube browser in CachéOS, it works flawlessly. Okay. So here is the kick. You need to make sure also like your connection can handle 4K with YouTube. Right? So I'm gonna check real quick what's happening there. If I can. Come on, papa. Actually, we're gonna launch my main PC, chat. Okay, so I think I solved the stuff. I see both. Oh wow, this is so cool, dude. It is actually really cool. It is actually really, really cool, chat. YouTube can't even dance. Man, I will be on Twitch only if they didn't force the ads, and if they will not take 50% of my income. You know what I mean? I'm on YouTube app and look great. Thanks. Salut Fred, what's up? I'm streaming in 1440p though. What? Wait, we are in 1440p right now? What the? Are you trolling me, chat? Not trolling, everybody's in 1440p. Okay, so maybe this is why it's buffering. Because I have the settings to send at 4K right now in Well, I'm just double checking. Yeah. Guys, we are pushing 4K right now. Listen, dude, we are actually pushing 4K right now via OBS. So YouTube is doing his like Migmac over there. Chat. I just saw HDMI patches inbound to implement VRR and ELLM for HDMI 2.1 without the HDMI bribe. Whoa! Could be in time for Steam Machine launch. Nice. Yeah, it could explain the hiccup and the buffering, dude. Bro. So what do we do, chat? What do we do? Let me do that this way. So this is the capture card, dude. I received the capture card yesterday. Or before yesterday. No, I received it before yesterday, chat. So will those recent update to Wine and Proton also help with gaming on older GTX NVIDIA GPU on Linux? So I don't think it's gonna help. Okay. Gustex, that's actually a really good question, dude. It won't help. So I'm not sure at 100% because maybe NVIDIA could, you know, do a charity move here. But I don't think it's gonna happen. Knowing them, I don't think it's gonna happen, chat. Hopefully that one works great with 4K 60. Well, there is only one way to find out, chat. You can always self-host live stream on RTMP protocol. Do you want me to talk about monetization, chat? That's Narco, what's up? Sharika, what's up? Chinese brand one for capture card? Yes, it's a Ugreen capture card. Okay, so can we log or what? Ouais. Salut Blank SDA. What multi-chat is that? I think right now I'm connected to Bogtrix. So yeah, dude, like we are in 4K right now. So I'm capturing in 4K, no question asked. But somehow, so wait, I'm gonna go 175 for you guys, yeah, because I know some of you like are struggling with the eye, and I respect that. Do you have Steam installed there? Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna log in Steam. I'm gonna set up everything real quick. Give me 1 second, chat. Salut Regif. I discovered your channel a few days ago, and I need to say you are the best channel out there when it comes to Linux gaming content, in my opinion. Props to you, mate. Thank you very much, buddy. Dude, thank you very much for the kind word. Cheers to that, dude. And welcome. Salut Frico, my 4K, thank you. Thank you, man. I thank you too. Hello, Mercuriete. Search for OBS Jack client. You are using Pulse Audio instead. Yeah, it doesn't change anything, dude. I tried that already. Sorry, I'm hungry, chat. Alright, so let's log in, dude. Steam. Hello. Okay. I'm making you hungry. Nice. I'm gonna copy my setting. Give me 1 second, chat. Just doing the usual. Pipe wire, mount, up. Pop, 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 pop. Alors. Okay, so I'm mounting my game partition right now. I'm gonna restart wire plumber and pipe wire. Okay. Steam, where are you? Okay. No. Gonna mount my partition real quick, chat. It's gonna take 1 second. Sorry about that. Storage, yes. Let me choose. Bench. Steam, yes. Okay. And we don't do shader download. I'm gonna put the sound. Normally you're gonna start to hear something.
Front, left, front, right.
Yeah, you should hear that, chat. I believe. Okay. So did I restart or not? Restart this thing. So here we are. So I'm on XOS, but I decided to give CachyOS kernel a try after watching your benchmark, and it worked so well for me. CS2 is running nicely now. Nice, dude. Nice. So talking about kernel, I have some regrets, chat. I hate to say it, but I have some regrets, and I'm gonna share them with you. And it's regarding like content creation in general. I had so much pushback from, you know, the Linux hardcore, like, old guard people, you know, for some of the video I made. And now I have some regret. I'm gonna explain you exactly why. How do I word that? There was this video that I didn't want to make because I couldn't back it up. And it's regarding give me 1 second, chat. What is this, dude? Okay, so I was saying that there is this No, sorry, I made a mistake, chat. I made a mistake. So there is this video I was thinking about making, and I didn't do it because I had some remark when I was sharing my IG with some of my buds. And they were like, dude, you can't make this video about any proof. This is not serious content. This is gonna suck. You're gonna look like a clown. And I'm like, dude, like, when I'm using a different kernel, I can feel a difference. I can see it. And even if I can't back it up with like proper scientific testing, I believe I still need to share what I discovered, right? That was the idea. And so, I made the video still, so I'm gonna show you the video and I'm gonna show you the comment because the comment is actually awesome, dude. It's so wholesome and awesome to me. Let me show you, dude. So the video I made at the time was... Where is it? Yeah, this one. Man, this video has 32,000 views, dude. I didn't want to make it, right? And ranking Linux kernel for gaming min 2024. Licorix, Zen, Xanmod, Clear Linux, TKG, Kashi, generic. Okay. And this is a comment I had yesterday, dude. Look at this. I'm gonna make it bigger for you. Dude, you changed my life. TKG installation was a breeze under Linux Mint, and input lag is incomparable against Licorix. So many thanks. I was literally having not a tantrum, but I had like some questionable thought when I was making this video because I was like, should I do it or not? And the lesson to that is do whatever the F you want. And if your guts tell you you need to do it, just do it. Just freaking do it, dude. Because yes, there is no backup. Everyone, there is no backup on the number or anything, right? But it still made sense. Steven can definitively feel the difference. Exactly, right? So, let's foreplay. Hey man, I'm CashOS 2 and somehow I'm having trouble setting up my Logitech Brio 4K in OBS. On Windows, the same webcam look much better. Do I need to do something specific to make it look better? It's easy, dude. Logitech Brio 4K UVC. Okay, so normally it should work out of the box, dude. Okay. On Linux, while UVC support is available, full customization, field of view zoom is limited and may require the third-party tool. Those settings are not exposed through standard API. So some functionality requires the Logitech software. So yeah, that could be your limitation, dude. That's why I personally recommend like HubSpot, even if they are a sponsor of the channel. I recommend HubSpot because it just works. For example, this one works, right? Salut Venicilla, I forgot my Twitch password, so I'll be lurking here today. Nice. Forgot your Twitch password, hein, bro? How are you gonna do, dude? How are you gonna do to renew your membership to La Crème de la Crème Club? It works out of the box, however, the resolution and frame rate is not complete in Linux. Uh-oh. Yeah, sadness. So, yeah, can happen, dude. So, this is the issue I was mentioning in the previous video related to hardware. Hardware could be the roadblock. Leonardo Cecconi, what's up? So guys, do you want me to... This is a real question. Do you want me to switch back to 4K on YouTube? Or at least try? Or we just stay like that? I need to know. Okay, you good with 2K? Alright, so I'm capturing in 4K. I don't know what's happening with YouTube. But it's forcing the re-encoding to 2K. Salut Finlay Yardov. Salut, tu utilises quoi comme distribution? Juste curieux. J'utilise CachéOS depuis 4 ans. Je pense avoir été l'un des premiers à utiliser CachéOS sur ma machine pour... avant qu'il devienne vraiment fameux. Famous. So, okay, I need to translate that. Sorry, my bad. I am tired today just speaking French like that. So, Finlay Yardov was saying, hello, what are you using for your distribution? Just curious. And I said, I'm using CachéOS, and I believe I'm one of the first to believe in the project. Logic Slayer is back! Welcome back to La Crème de la Crème Club, papa! Let's go! Thank you for the support, dude. Let me know if I do too much when someone sub. But yes, I'm gonna do it all the time now. I'm gonna be this guy. We need more sub, chat. The game audio is clipping. No. So the game audio is clipping. Okay. Okay, chat. That's good. That's good to know. So I have a good audio on my hand. So it should be fine. And if it's not fine... Did you break the system yet? No, not yet. How are you, Xero? Okay, so are we still clipping, chat? Last Spooky. I can't wait until that I can finally have good DirectX fix to get implemented. Same. We'll be talking about that too, chat. Okay, nice. I'm a Québécois. I just wanted to... French interaction. Haha, I use stock Arch. Nice, dude. Still clipping. Okay, so the good news, chat. The good news is like... Sound is clipping. And... This does not come from my gaming PC. So... This is a fact, chat. We are advancing. Come on, Bobby! Don't do that to me, dude! Bro! Bobby! Oh là là, Bobby! Oh là là, Bobby. So it's more... Yes, so it's more like an issue related to OBS. Sure. Bobby needs a pay cut. Okay, so here is what we're gonna do, dude. We're gonna play with the sound settings live, chat. Don't do that at home with I don't know how many viewers on your stream because it's not a good idea, okay? But us, we're gonna do it. Down. We have a problem, chat. No problem. I'm gonna play with it. Actually, wait. I'm gonna SSH. Like that, I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm doing on the stream platform. Okay. Okay. Let's do something fun. Okay, so. Okay, dude. So SSH Air Max. That's the name of my user on my stream PC. The IP address should be that. Yes, so yes. And then you type the password. The password, chat. Okay. And so now, I'm logged on my stream PC, okay? So, how is the encoding going? We are at 100% encoding power. We are good, okay? It's fine. PC is at 48 degrees. Slowly, everything is fine, chat. Okay, so. Let me... Okay, so this is the file I want to play with. So I'm gonna put it... Dude. I'm gonna put it super high, because at this point, like, why not? Tired of this. Okay. And we're gonna restart it. So the sound is... It won't be there anymore, chat. All right, chat. So, on paper, we should be good. On paper, we should be good, dude. But again, as I said earlier, there is a huge difference between the theory and the practice, dude. Huge difference. Audio is back, right? So I learned something, dude, because I'm still playing with this audio stuff on top of everything I'm doing those days. The latency set up by OBS is 2000 sample no matter what, strat. Like that's the latency, dude. The freaking latency of OBS. So now we're gonna go back to the game, and you will tell me if it's still like making this sound, okay? So this is a moment where you say, okay, we got it, or we don't. Is it still choppy or not? This is a real question, dude. So the sound of my... This is where it's really interesting. So the sound of my mic is perfect, right? Just to be clear. Yeah. Only sound... Okay. No worries, chat. No worries. Everything's fine, chat. It's fine, dude. Okay, now I removed something. We're gonna try again, dude. Choppy again. Dude, it's insane because I didn't touch... Listen, chat. I didn't touch anything. Okay? I didn't touch anything. And somehow we are still in like choppiness... Like... Oh yeah, I can't even restart it. Because we know what happened when I restart, right? I don't know what's happening, chat. So OBS, you see, is at 1200, dude. And this is the one which is like recording. So I don't know, chat. Like at this point, I don't even know, dude. I didn't change anything, chat. So let me show you how this all work, okay? Okay, so let's listen. We're gonna do one more stuff. I'm just going to turn off the sound, okay? Voilà, comme ça. Problem solved, chat. Problem solved. Old school. Now we're gonna see if this thing is choppy. J'en peux plus. J'en peux plus. Why do I have 115 FPS? There is no way, brother. I don't want to be that guy, but I have way more than 115 FPS, dude. So, yes. Okay, man, nothing worse today, chat. Oh, boy. But the 4K capture seems to work, huh, dude? Dead space between audio has increased exponentially. I just turned off the audio of the... It's still the same with the new capture card? Oh no, dude. Constantin. Greeting for Germany. Wie geht's, my friend? Is that the new capture card? Yes, it is. Listen, chat. It cost me an arm. So this thing better work, dude. This thing better work, chat. But nothing works. Nothing works today, dude. It's still laggy. Oh, dude. Man, why nothing is working today? Okay, so let me show you how I capture the thing. Maybe we're gonna find a solution today. I hope so. If it's not the case, chat. Oh well. Let me show you. So Air Max. PC. So streaming setup. Okay, let's do it this way, dude. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, look at this, man. Oh la la, I'm so good. I'm so good, chat. Alors. This is my streaming PC. My gaming PC. And this is my streaming PC. So gaming. We'll go with gaming, okay. And here streaming. Watch. I want to do it proper for you, chat. Because like that nobody's gonna say like, you write like a freaking doctor. Yeah. Maybe. Okay. So, what is inside, chat? Salut, broche tonton, how are you, dude? Discovered CachyOS thanks to you. Welcome to the gang. So. What the heck is this? Okay. So what do we have there? So this is the 5090 blah blah blah. But we have the Behringer XR R18. Okay. And here we have the Behringer UM404, something like that. Okay. This is how it works. Dr. Max. Okay, so this is how it works, chat. This is how the sound goes from one to another. Is there some issue with the final on CachyOS? No, I don't think so, dude. It should be working. So how do I explain that properly? Let's make another square there. Yeah. Okay, I think it's gonna be even better. Look. Yeah, you like that, huh, chat? Do you like that? Okay, so let's make it this way. Like that's gonna be even better. Look at this. So, how does it work? So this is a PC with a 5090 here, and here you have the Arc 380. Okay, in terms of like GPUs, this is how it's. So there is a little USB cable that goes like that from the back. Here I have my mic, okay, which is plugged with a cable like that. Boop. Okay, and there is like 1, 2, 3, 4 cables that go from there to there. Okay, and 2 of them, because it's left and right, it's stereo. So one will be like my main sound, and the other will be like, for example, like my mic. Okay, chat. Are you sure it's not game-specific issue with Arc Raider? You try running with Proton Enable Wayland 1. How would Wayland be a problem regarding that? Yeah, and I have nothing enabled. The capture card is just a copy of my screen, right? Like even though, like no, it's not even that. It just go through the cable. So let's focus on the sound first. Guys, let's focus on the sound. If the game runs smooth on its end, it's not the game itself. Exactly. So we have the main and the mic. It goes there, and then there is another like USB cable here. Okay? And so here there is the source. So what you see here, that's the mic and the main mix. Okay, so this is what is supposed to be captured here for the sound. Now I'm thinking, could the scheduler like mess with everything, chat? So if we do, maybe I'm gonna do it. Chat, you know what? I'm gonna try to see if the scheduler can do something about it. We're gonna switch scheduler while being live, chat. Oh yeah, I'm not scared, dude. Let's try. So scared. So I'm doing it on the machine directly because I don't have access to the GUI here. What would be the best scheduler for this? So I'm gonna try tickless low latency, chat. Apply. Okay, so now we are running Tickless. Now we are running Tickless, chat. I did hear the sound issue on the sound test before game, but did not fix so much of it then. So wait. Like even with my mic, we have a problem right now. So right now I'm at the quant is at 1024, but somehow the quant on OBS it's at 1200. And the format is 32-bit. Do we need 32-bit, dude? So let me check on my machine. Okay, well, so this one, it doesn't even work, dude. The heck is this, man? Why I can't see it? The heck happened there? So when I did the left and right test, there were already an issue? Since it's hardware, 32-bit, no problem. Okay, thank you. Maybe I'm gonna have to restart this. Doesn't look good, chat. Or maybe because nothing is actually running on it. That's why. That's why, chat. Nothing is running, so it just show up like that. Okay, so it has nothing to do with, I believe, like this setup. And the thing is like, if the sound was an issue, I should have the choppy sound on my screen too, right? Okay, so OBS is trying to use more buffer than there is available. Yes. But it should be fine, right? Chat. Can I set the OBS buffer size? I don't think so, dude. Setting audio property and buffer size. What? Buffer size control how much audio data is processing. Okay. Doesn't make sense, dude. I think this is the settings of Windows. It's not the settings in OBS, chat. So this is the EQ. I don't want it. I never seen this option, dude. For OBS Studio, use the recording quality preset under settings, output. Man, this is from 2016, dude. Freaking 2016, chat. Don't debug OBS without checking that the input is good. Check the sound on the gaming PC or at least monitor with a different program on the streaming PC. Yes. 2016 was a fine vintage. Man, that was so good, man. I agree with you, dude. Man, how do I debug this, chat? This is so annoying. Can you share the output of ulimit R? What is this command for? So I don't understand why it broke. Because remember, we had a stream, everything was working perfectly, right? And somehow now it doesn't work. So I'm trying to think like what changed in the middle. So listen, I changed the scheduler. Let's see if the sound is different, dude. I'm gonna launch this game. So I just changed the scheduler. Is it better or is it still like Chopime? Stuttering, okay. So I'm gonna stop the recording. Is it still choppy, chat? Okay, it's still choppy. Okay. So I'm gonna turn that. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna turn it off. Okay. All right. Feels so bad, chat. Vexmaster, what's up? So if you go... Wait. Constantin was saying something. OBS settings audio under advanced check if there is a check mark for low latency audio buffering. OBS setting audio. So there is a low latency audio buffering mode for Decklink and NDI output. Okay, I'm gonna apply for that. Okay, so apply. So I checked it, dude. The program must be restarted for those settings to take effect. Okay, chat. See you. Oh. Man, I'm so sorry. Like, all the notifications are going to go left and right, chat. Okay, so we are into low latency, buffering, whatever, okay? So let's see if it changed something here. Yeah, still the same number, dude. So I don't think it's gonna work, but we're gonna try, chat. We're gonna try. So are you ready for the sound? Now you need to tell me how it sounds, chat. Still stuttery? Guys, what do we do? I won't lie to you, like I'm a little bit in despair right now. I'm a little bit in despair right now. Your X setting is also outputting in 48,000 Hertz. Yes, it is, yep. Yeah, it is. So we can do it live, actually. Not this. Let's say this, for example. Watch, 48,000. Here. Salut Vexy, what's up? Go back to Windows? Man, I don't want to go back to Windows. I'm sure it's something like... Maybe it's something like stupid we don't think about. But what is kind of insane to me is that... Oh, wait. I'm thinking about something, chat. So I'm recording right now, okay? When I look at the sound meter, it doesn't look like it's choppy. This is what is kind of like worrying me. So I'm wondering if air slop. Bro! I don't know, chat. Like, honestly, I don't know. I think I'm doing everything right here. It's driving me insane, chat. So, like the first really weird stuff is that the mic is working. For whatever reason, the sounds that come out from my main mixer. So to go back there, this is where it's hurting my brain, dude. So let's go back to this, okay? So two of those here, so let's say this one here and this one here are the one for my mic, right? And the mic is not choppy. Listen, oh, it's not choppy. So what it means that the sound here coming from this device to the other device is actually working, dude. Because mic is okay. Like, this is a fact, right, chat? Is my mic crackling or something? It's not. So, by definition, it works. Now, I'm serious, chat. Like, the link between those two devices is okay, right? This will be the learning from that, right? It is okay. Because if something was choppy between those two ones... Guys, did I miss something? Oh yeah! Broche Tonton, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel, dude. You are now a proud member of La Crème de la Crème Club. Thank you very much, bud. Okay, so the stream is buffering again. So this is YouTube doing its stuff, right? Yeah, it's YouTube, but I don't even know what to do anymore, chat. I'm losing my patience there. I won't lie to you. I'm a little bit upset right now. Because on Twitch, everything works. I repeat, we don't have any buffer, right? On Twitch, like everything is working perfectly. Man, I'm... Yo, Max, keep calm, everything is fine. Salut HRF, dude, what's up? So this side is working, dude. Like, this side is working. Now the question is... When he arrives there, I would call that like my main sound. So no, let's do it this way, like that. Everybody's gonna understand. So my main sound here. So this is the main here. Okay, main. This one, when you arrive there, is not okay. Not okay. All right, chat. So I don't have crackling. I don't have anything. So what it said to me is like, it's not a buffer issue. Like, we are fixing about this buffer issue. It's not a buffer issue, dude. Because if it was a buffer issue, I would have the issue on my mic. Right? The settings for the sound is the same. Whatever source or output, it is the same. So it can be that. Now, could the XR18 have a broken output toward the streaming PC? That could be a legit solution, right? Which means like my output will be working fine with the mic here, and then it will be bad. It will be recorded there, and then it will come out. That could be a solution, right? That could be one. Or it come from OBS again. Right? Because I didn't see the mic was plugged into gaming. That's incredibly odd. No, it's not. It's not odd. So, can OBS has an issue with like mixing track? Right? Because the way it's set up in OBS, I have mic, which is in track 1. I have main, which is in track 1, 2, right? And then it goes like that. It will be recording here, not recording here, not recording here, and recording here. Right? So when my output come out from the track, Behringer is known for hardware issue. But the thing is like, this was working on Windows, right? Let's rule out OBS to monitor the input on the streaming PC by other means. Okay. Easy, dude. I'm gonna do that now. Problem is like I won't be able to test it right away. Yes, I can test it actually. I can test it, dude. So on my streaming PC, we're gonna do that together. On my streaming PC, I'm gonna install Audacity. So where is that? Am I on streaming PC here? No, I'm not. So not this one. I'm on the streaming PC here. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna install Audacity, okay? And I'm gonna record with Audacity. Oh, what is Tonacity? Well, we're gonna go with Audacity. Like, so Audacity, password, which is not password, chat. Okay. Now I'm gonna launch Audacity, chat. I'm gonna ask Audacity to record. I'm gonna ask Audacity to record my main here. Okay. Alors, source, audio setup, yes. Recording device. So Pipewire, hello. Dude, he doesn't see it. So chat, it doesn't see It just see my ALSA device, chat. It is insane, chat. Can I set it up differently? Wait. I'm trying to do it, but it doesn't see my virtual sync in Audacity for whatever reason. Change the host from ALSA to Jack. I can't change it. So maybe I need to install Pipewire Jack. Okay, I haven't tried it. Let's see the package I don't have installed there. So Pipewire is the effect I don't want. ALSA, audio. Yeah, I don't have Jack. Okay, so we're gonna go with Jack, and I'm gonna go also with ZeroConf for the science, dude. Virtual Pipewire device work here with Pipewire Jack. Okay, so Pipewire Jack and Jack are in conflict. Remove Jack. Yes. What the heck do I have Jack installed like that? Why would I have Jack installed this way, dude? This is odd. Maybe this is what it's all about, chat. So yeah, I was saying like this is a little bit odd that Pipewire Jack was not installed like properly, kind of. Okay, so with Pipewire Jack, I can finally set up what I want. Okay, so I'm gonna record, chat, I'm gonna record. And I'm gonna see if the sound is all choppy, right, chat? This is the idea. I'm gonna be able to see it right away, dude. So on Audacity, it's not choppy at all, chat. Now I pass through the sound to the stream. Is it still like... Is it still choppy, chat? Is this choppy? Okay, thank you. So now I recorded in Audacity, okay? And to me, in Audacity, it doesn't look choppy at all. So I'm gonna export the project. Okay, I'm gonna export it in Wave, dude, like that. I'm not doing anything crazy. Export, yes. Give me 1 second, chat. I'm gonna stop this. Can save the project? No. Okay, so give me 1 second, chat. We're gonna get fixed. Man, I think OBS is still broken, chat. That's what I think. I thought we fixed it, but we did not. I think it's still broken somehow. I think the bug is still there. I thought I fixed it, but I did not, chat. It is so sad. Allez, hopefully I'm wrong, dude. Hopefully I'm wrong, dude. Okay, so I need to turn that off. And I will see if it's choppy or not, chat. So, where is it? Wave. Pa-pa-pa-pa-pam. Am I tired to this point, chat? Okay, so the copy didn't work, it seems. Okay, 1 second, chat. Oh! Okay, I'm not losing my patience, chat. Everything's fine. Everything's fine, chat. Okay, here we go. Everything is fine, chat. Everything's under control. Okay, this is a moment where... So you won't be able to hear it. So it's not choppy at all. Dude, it is not choppy at all. I'm telling you, chat. You can't hear, but I'm telling you, it's not choppy at all. So the learning here is that it's not a buffer issue, and the broken output, it's not either. So it's this freaking OBS which is doing something there, chat. GLF OS, is that then perfect yet? What are we talking about, Mr. THP? What are we talking about, dude? We are just making some tests for the sound. It has nothing to do with the distro browser. We never talk about GLF OS. Like what? What, dude? Don't do that to me. And what? The moon is still in orbit? Yes. So he has nothing to do with my gaming PC. He has nothing to do with my streaming PC because my streaming PC is receiving the sound, no problem. It's like when it arrives on OBS, for some reason, it just do that. I don't understand, chat. And it was working before. This is the weirdest part. It was working before, chat. We had stream where everything was working. I didn't touch anything. This is driving me insane. I don't get it. Think about it this way. Like 1 week ago, it was working. I didn't do anything on this PC. I didn't do anything, bro. I'm so confused, chat. I'm like right now, my brain is just like broken. Anyway, to listen to the audio, this is exactly what I just done. It's OBS, dude. I just check it, right? What I did, I record with Audacity, so you can't hear it. Obviously, you can't hear it because if I play it, it's gonna be choppy on your hand. But I did it. Yeah, no worries, guys. I'm not upset or whatever. I'm not upset against you. Okay, like she's not. I'm just upset about this whole like thing which doesn't have any sense, dude. It doesn't have. It doesn't make any sense. It was working 2 days before. It was working, dude. Just to check it, is the new capture card active as an audio device? No, I deactivate it. Within KDE, dude. Okay, so I can try to deactivate everything too, but... What the... Okay, so I deactivated it now. Alright, chat. And I'm gonna reactivate the sound here, and we're gonna relaunch Valheim. It doesn't make sense, dude. I don't get it. It just go above my pay grade. My brain is too small. It just doesn't add up, dude. So still choppy, chat. Okay, choppy. Power cycles the audio interface, but this is a trick. I just made the test before, and it was okay. I'm so confused, dude. I'm sure it's OBS, man. OBS is doing something funky that we have no idea about. So I'm gonna install QPW, I think graph, that's the name. OBS is doing something really, really wrong there. Like, there is something wrong with OBS. So I'm gonna launch like the graph stuff, and I'm gonna see the connection, chat, real quick. So you won't be able to see it, I'm sorry, but alright, so it's connected to the main. Trying to see if there is something wrong here. So mic is okay. Okay, so you don't see it, chat, but I'm gonna try again. Now, everything seems connected properly, dude. So I'm gonna launch the game again. So I'm gonna mess up with the sound, chat, okay? Okay, so I disconnected it. I'm just gonna capture one, okay? Is it still choppy on one side? Just for science, dude? Choppy on the left. Okay. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put it in the microphone sound, okay? And tell me if it's choppy. I'm gonna mix it within the graph, okay? Is it choppy now? I'm just trying to understand if it's just the input which has a problem within OBS. Now it's fine. Now it works perfect. Okay, so you can see it right now. Okay, I removed it. So here it shows that the device, like the virtual device or whatever input is creating right now, is just not up to the task. There is something odd in the way he creates this device. I don't know if it makes sense, chat, but it is OBS, chat. It is so freaking annoying, dude. Yeah, and it was choppy again. So whatever I connect to the device which is created within OBS, it become doing this. It just doing this, dude. Is your main audio support mixing 41 100 Hz and 4800 Hz, 48,000 Hz? So there is no mix. Everything is at 48,000 Hz right now. In OBS and on the PC itself. Everything is 48,000 Hz. I'm just double checking because I'm like, now I start to have doubt on everything. But yeah, everything is at 48,000 Hz, dude. Yeah, so the voice was doubled because I put the... Yeah, I did something which I was not supposed to do. I was just testing. Right? Have you tried Ubuntu 24 LTS for gaming? I heard Linus Tech Tip recommended /sarcasm. Yes. I sent a message to... Yeah, I sent a message to them. Your gaming PC is only 48,000 Hz. Yes, because everything is 48,000 Hz, dude. It is not that. It's something else. So... I don't know how I can... What is really sad here is like there is nothing I can do, chat. The chop is rhythmic and every second it does like a double chop. I would call that a matte loop. Just for the lols, I would fancy the idea of brought up earlier by someone else of power cycling of the device. Yeah, but I don't think this is the case, man. You know what I'm thinking right now? I'm thinking maybe I should like reinstall like OBS fresh. I can create content right now. I want you to do React with you, but I can't even react because you won't be able to hear the sound of what we are watching. We're gonna have to end the stream, chat. I'm really sorry. there is something that I'm missing, dude. Reinstall CachyOS. It has nothing to do with CachyOS. I know my operating system. I know it's working well. I know like everything is fine there. It is within the configuration of Pipewire. Maybe something is wrong the way I configure it, and when I start my OBS and it creates like this dummy like device to connect, kind of like this is why maybe like there is an issue there. There is something going on there. And what really triggered me is that it was working 1 week ago. I didn't touch anything, chat. So now I'm really pissed. It was working, dude. It was working, and now it doesn't work. I didn't touch anything. Is there any difference between the way you implemented the stereo capture in OBS? No. The way it tested, I will come to the same conclusion that the issue is on OBS side. Whether configuration or issue with OBS, I don't know. The new capture card was in? No, it was not in. Hey, what's up? Nobody die. How are you doing, dude? It is. I think it's an OBS problem, brother. I'm pissed, chat. I won't lie to you. I'm really pissed. Just for the fun, could you put both the input to mono? Yeah, I could do that. Okay, let's do it. I don't want to deal with this. Okay, so I put it to mono. Oh, it doesn't do it. The heck? What? Maybe I need to restart, right? Nah. Did you try to set the OBS audio sampling rate to something different than 48,000 Hz? No, I did not. Not today. Capture card was a change since it was good. Yes, fair. Yeah, fair, team. The thing is, like, when I record outside of OBS, everything works. It's just when the sound arrives in OBS, it doesn't work anymore. And this is what's driving me insane. I was recording in 48,000 Hz in Audacity. The sound was perfect, bro. Right? And that's why, like, I recorded on the PC, put it on the file, and play it on my PC. And everything was fine. Right? So, what it shows me here on my debug graph, here, whatever you want to call it, is like, this is working, this is working, the connection between the two is working. So all of this is working. It's just when you arrive in OBS, something is happening there. Something which is out of my control. Yeah, do it, Wells. Just send me the link. I'm open with it. Just come on my Discord and send me the link. Maybe we missed something, but... And yeah, PW Top say 48,000 Hz. So everything is okay on this one. Do you have a better alternative? Yeah, use Scala or QWP graph, add all the effects you want. Like, you can do so many things. So it's an OBS issue, I have the same problem. But the funny part is, like, 1 week ago, I was able to freaking fix it. Man, I don't know what's going on, dude. I made a video where I show it's working. It was working before. So what the heck changed? This is where I'm losing my mind, dude. I'm so confused, lad. I don't know, man. I'm about to give up on this one, chat. That sucks because I set up everything to work. Like, everything is working. I have access to the chat. I have my plugin set up. I was about to deliver like a full streaming experience, like in like 1 to 2 weeks, with new stuff I was thinking about to implement, and we hit a roadblock. And I didn't do anything wrong. Just quit computer. Bro, who's gonna tell you how to install stuff, you know? Don't create, there is always a solution. Thank you for the $2, bro. Thank you very much. So I don't know, man. I'm like... No, it's not Steam. It has nothing to do with my PC, dude. It's OBS, which is just... something is wrong with it. Have you tried running it by LLM just to see if there is anything simple you didn't think of? No, I did not do that. I don't believe... Like, I believe in LLM for certain stuff, but this is like, meh. I don't think we had a OBS update. I don't think we had a Pipewire update. Let me check. Let me check if we had a Pipewire update. So we had a kernel update. Look, there is nothing new, chat. There is nothing related to the sound. This is when I install the PC. Yeah, this is 2 things I just installed right now to check. So there is no update regarding to that. I don't know, man. I don't get it. Randomly slap OBS settings. Will be here for the LOL. Thank you for the 10, brother. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. So you see, I see the notification. It's actually awesome, chat. But... freaking OBS, dude. And it's just OBS on Linux. What am I doing wrong? Yeah, it's the same. It's exactly the same way of doing things. I don't know, brother. I'm out of IG chat. I'm out of IG. So I want you to do React video. I want you to do some content, planify some content, but it's not going to happen. I already have 2 video in the thing, so I'm gonna stop the stream. Nothing changed about my setup last time. Nothing changed. I didn't unplug anything. I didn't touch anything, chat. Like this is seriously annoying. I would say to you, hey, I touch, I play with some stuff, like I did something. I didn't do anything. Like this is super annoying. So let's try an alternative. What about you send everything to the streaming PC over the stereo bus that is working and record separately on the gaming PC? I can't. I don't want to record anything on my gaming PC because it alterates the potential result of the benchmark we are doing live. So this is not an option for me. What I can do though is like, as you said, like throw everything into one mix. I could do that because I could do that on the Behringer, put everything into one mix and push it to the PC. But then when I do that, I lost the multi-track, right? Which is one of the reasons I switched back to Windows. Because I wanted to have multi-track. I'm sure it's OBS, chat. I'm thinking about it in every direction. I'm sure it's OBS, dude. I was thinking maybe the 1024 buffer versus the 1200 OBS buffer might make the chop. You can just do that just to go with this React stream. Yes. But I can't do it now. Because I need to go to the interface of my mixer, and I'm telling you, if you think this was hard, my mixer interface is really hard. It's not something I wanna switch on the go. I don't have time for that. Right? The purpose of the mixer is like you spend like 10 hours setting it up, and then we don't talk about it anymore. Now, if I have to switch between like different modes within the mixer, depending on each type of content I do, it's not worth it anymore, right? Or as only if you have the problem in OBS, you could record in multi-track in a different software on the streaming PC. That could be, yeah, that could be a solution, I agree. What is the issue? Still recording crackling? Yeah, but only via OBS. Everything works, so there is no issue regarding the configuration in Pipewire or whatever. I thought it was the issue because it worked for like 1 week, and now it doesn't work anymore. Salut Paul. Baguette is fine. What about you? Atlas Kingdom Come Delivery works with a new heap now on NVIDIA, so something at least is working on Linux. What? At least Kingdom Come Delivery. Oh, at least. So Kingdom Come Deliverance works with the new IP on Nvidia? What? Let me check. Let me check the news. I think we will be I don't want to be too optimistic, okay? Yeah, no, there is nothing new regarding that, chat. The new IP. I could blame the capture card too, dude, if it's a capture card. Like, we did some tests with the capture card and it was not clean still. And I'm so upset right now, chat. Yeah, Vexy. So I'm in the Discord with the dev of the NVIDIA driver and the VKG 3D Proton and stuff, and there is nothing new on this side. So I will still focus on this side. I still think on Friday we're gonna get something to test. But I want to be really prudent because I've seen people testing things and it was half working, but they still post the result. So yeah, be careful what you read, okay? Just take it with a grain of salt. We'll see on Friday where we are ready with this. That's why I don't want to talk really about it right now. Because it's all over the place. It's all over the place. So guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for today. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know what to say to you, chat. Like, I'm beyond frustrated right now. Hey Dan, what's up? If nothing else, I'm sure you're gonna find it and make a great video about finding the fix. Yeah. Finger crossed, brother. Finger crossed. But the truth is, like, I don't want to do it. You see, like, and you're gonna see, like, maybe I'm making a tantrum or whatever, but I just don't want to do it. Because the reality is, like, I have the control on my configuration of Pipewire, but I have no control of anything else. Right? And it seems to me that the issue lies in OBS. No matter how I think about it, it is an OBS issue, dude. Because everything works except when I push it to OBS. You know what? I can show it to you right now, actually. Look at this, chat. Wait, 1 second. Yeah. Okay, so here is what we're gonna do. You will see how I see the thing. So this is OBS, okay, chat? I'm recording my screen. We're gonna go. So this is a fake OBS. This is not the OBS on my streaming PC, okay? This is just OBS on my gaming PC here. I know some of you might get confused a little bit. But here is what I'm gonna do. So the mic, I'm gonna set up the mic. And desktop audio, we're gonna put two of them. We're gonna put main and we're gonna put game. All right. And here, okay, so we stay like that. Okay. Now what I'm gonna set up, because this is what is important. I'm gonna set up the recording to have like one track with everything and one track with each of the input, okay? So this is what I've done here. And now what I'm gonna do two things. I'm gonna put the sound here on... Wait, because I want you to really hear it. So I'm gonna fix it in OBS like dirty way. So you won't have stereo, but you will see if it's jumpy or not, right? So we're gonna do that dirty, chat. Disconnect this. Okay, and I'm gonna put the sound here. So like that you're gonna hear it. I'm gonna turn it off here. Okay, so this is a true test, and like that, you're gonna see we're gonna remove everything related to the fact that it's an issue of connection between this PC and the other PC. Okay. So Harris, Heller, music. Stream beats, okay.
Let 'em burn it out. Sell 'em to the richest buyer. They wanna let the world decay. They tell us lies and fate.
Okay, so we have no chop, okay? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you like that. Maybe you're gonna learn something. Or maybe you already know it, but here you can choose which play on what. So Brave, I'm gonna make it play on music. So this thing normally, it should be running on music. Okay? Okay, you don't have sound, I know why. So we're gonna put it on game. Sorry, chat, because you can't listen to sound because we are wire it on the other hand. So let's go back here. Sorry about this, chat. If it was easy, we'll know about it. So we're gonna put it on game. Now you're gonna have sound. Okay. And look. So here it seemed correct, okay? And on the desktop, I'm gonna play the game. So when I launch the game here, the game is gonna pop out here. Watch. That's the game. And this is my mic, okay? So now I'm gonna record. And if everything works well, we should have no choppiness in nothing, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna record. I don't need a lot of a record, but we're gonna do a little bit longer to make sure that on the same machine we have an issue or not. We're gonna see right away, okay? So I'm gonna stop it. So now I'm gonna go, I think it's here, and just now. Oh, okay, perfect. I don't need a lot of a record, but we're gonna do a little bit longer to make sure that on the same. Okay, so it's chopping. I don't know if you heard, but it was chopping. But so it just recorded one. Okay, so we're gonna have to redo the test. I'm sorry, chat. Output audio recording here. So and now it's gonna record 6 of them. And we're gonna record in this, apply, and record. So same player, play again, chat. All right. So you on your end, right now on the stream, the sound is not outputting correctly, right? On the stream, you're gonna have all of them, okay? So now the real test is like when I'm gonna play it. All good. And now my voice. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I go back to this one. Okay, so now I'm gonna stop this thing. I'm gonna stop the game. And we're gonna listen to the record. Because you can see that it's working. It's working on my PC. Okay, no question asked. It works. So now let's see that. So player, play again, chat. Alright. So you on your end, right now on the stream, the sound is not outputting correctly, right? On the stream, you're gonna have all of them. Okay? See? When OBS is in it, nothing works anymore. So let's see for the first track. See? See? It's all choppy, dude. At the moment you go through OBS, dude. Okay, so the game track is choppy. Second one.
Listen up now, because we're never dropping out.
Choppy too.
Beat the odds, beat the big house. Our brains are bigger than a doubt.
Choppy.
Thinking for ourselves, never let the
Again.
truth fade away. This is bigger than away.
So player, play again, chat. So player, play again, chat. Choppy. No, the chop you hear here is just OBS. Because on my PC, the thing you hear right now is just my mixer pushing my sound to the capture and mixing everything, right? So player, play again, chat. So player, play again, chat. So it's less choppy than on the streaming PC, but it's still here. So somehow OBS do something. When you mix everything before OBS, it's fine. Yep. So at the moment, so now we're gonna do it differently. Watch, and I'm gonna show you why it's a problem. So what I'm gonna do in the sound. Where is it? I'm gonna go there, for example. No. I'm gonna go there in the audio, and I'm gonna put only one on. Okay, because this is I just put one. And I'm gonna record. Okay? And you will see. I'm a bad shot. That's not the right. My bad. Game. Okay. So now there is only one shot, okay? Okay, I stop. Now we're gonna go. No chop. Zero chop. Voilà. So if you set it up with one source, it works perfect. You do multi-source, the thing collapses. Where did I get this input? So I get those input. I created them following the wiki from Pipewire. So we can go to that too. We can check. Watch. Pipewire. Is there news? Yeah, I wanted to go through them, but I can't because sound is like my sound is having issues. So I'm sorry about that. We're just doing some debugging, Hassan. Yeah, I think it's this one. No. Maybe this one? The heck, dude? Why did they hide it? Oh, I think this one, like this dude, he made a really, really good. Yeah, here we go. Okay. So you can create them, right? So me, the way I do it, I split them. So if you have only one card, for example, you can do that, right? Lipwire module loopback. So you do a loopback here, but me, the way I do it is... So you can do separation. Yeah, it's this one. So this will be literally the way I do it here. So if you look at this, and you go in my configuration there, so I'm going to exit here. Okay. Like this is... what did you do? Okay, so this is for the mic here. So will be the source. So nano, so this is the source. So context module, leap wire. So he create a loop back here. The node description, so how it's called. So it's a mic. So this is like node name. Okay, where I come from. The target. So the target here is my mixer. So obviously he found it. Not passive true. Okay, playback probe. So it's exactly what he has done. And then he create another one here. Another loop back here for his guitar input. This would be the same. Mono, node exclusive. So here he made it exclusive. Create with exclusive hardware access and independent process chain. So this passive, don't reconnect. Why would we put it exclusive? Okay, so apparently you need the exclusive. Let's try exclusive, chat. I'm down for it, dude. I'm down. So I don't think it's gonna be the good idea, but we can try. So I thought all the time your mix is in the hardware of your XR17. It's mixed in the hardware. It's mixed in the hardware, Constantin. Because the problem is like I need to separate the source, right? I can't put all my source in one mix. So I'm doing two mix. I'm doing the first mix software and then hardware. But the hardware works because we know it. It's working right now, right? No, the way you do it, it's mixed in Pipewire. Yes and no. Like yes and no. So, and I don't think it's gonna interest everyone. Everything's there. But I can guarantee you, like it's work. It's the way it's supposed to be done. Okay. It's. I don't think I want to explain it how I do, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Okay. Let's do it real quick. So the mixer, he has entry like that, right? So I'm gonna just put 4. Okay. So let's say it's aux 0 here. This is a hole, physical hole here. Okay. So there is a mix happening here at the hardware level. Because I have this bus, so I have aux 0, okay, which is linked with aux 0 on the USB, I don't know what you call that, like the USB part, okay? Because this mixer is connected via USB here, okay, on my gaming PC. So the real mix is there, okay? Like there is a mix being done there. And to be pushed to the second PC, the aux is pushed to another mix. So I don't know the exact name here. I don't have it in my head, but like it's called a G-Bus, whatever. So I'm pushing it to the auxiliary, for example, 3. Okay, and this is physically connected to another hardware device, which is a 404. So this mix here, it doesn't happen software. It's just within the interface. Okay, But me on the gaming PC here, now, this audio here, I need to route it. Because if I use the Pro Audio normal level, from aux 0 to aux 17, they are all mixed by default. So I need to take aux 0 and create an interface, which is called mic in this case. But this is what I'm doing. Okay? But there is no link between both of them. Because if I don't do that, I'm going to show it to you on the sound here. If I don't do that, I have all the channel. So whatever sounds will go in and out is going to pop out here as audio, right? But here, if I do that, there is only 1, which are in fact linked to, I think it's 3 and 4 here, or 2 and 3 or whatever. So you get the idea now? And it's the same here. Now I have 1 channel, but in fact this mic is a 0 here. Okay. So now it's explained. So it has nothing to do with that. Because you see, even on Windows it will work. Because on Windows I will do exactly the same thing. So now I put it exclusive. So I'm gonna restart. I did restart Pipewire. I'm gonna restart this thing. So I don't know what the exclusive stuff do. Maybe it's gonna be our fix chat. Maybe, dude. Okay, let's do another test together. After I'm gonna turn off the stream. There is no way.
Burn it out. We sell them to the richest buyer. They wanna let the world decay. They tell us
1, 2, 1, 2.
fade away.
Whoa. Okay.
Break it through back of the pack. We kill it anyway.
Okay.
Listen up, listen.
Okay, cool.
Tell us
1, 2, 1, 2.
fade away. Tell us
1, 2, 1, 2. Man, it kind of helped, no?
Tell us lies and fade away.
No.
Fade away. We feel betrayed.
It seems to be working better, chat. 1, 2, 1, 2. It seemed to be working a little bit better. So I'm wondering if this is the freaking like the one might glitch. Yeah, so this one not okay. So dude, if we fix that live, so where do I put this here? So he say exclusive, and he puts the don't reconnect. So okay, why not? So that's the two line I need to add. So on the mic and on this one. Okay, I'm gonna have to restart the stream chat. Okay. All right, are you ready? Ba ba ba. Ba ba da ba da. Ba 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 ba. Ba ba. I know, I don't know why we don't have sound, dude. Okay, so I'm guessing like exclusive means there is only one that go through and not the other one. Um Yeah, I'm already using that Constantin. But the thing is, like, when you arrive on my PC, I need to reroute everything because it all come from one USB port. I don't know if you get it. So this is a problem. Pipewire is supposed to do the split. That's simple as that, dude. So here, I don't know why, but he only see one device now. It doesn't see the second module I made. And so my guess is that the mic, because it's exclusive, right? It take all the input and lock it in for this one. I would be my guess, dude. This is what it means. Yeah, you see, like it's exactly the same. Those guys are using the same as me. So my configuration is fine, dude. Stream, don't remix, and passive. So it's fine. So this exclusive has nothing to do with it. So it's not that, chat. Exclusive, it means like there is only one input virtual sync for this. And we don't want that. That's why you can't hear the sound. That's all, dude. Chat, I don't know. I think I'm out. There is no point. And you see, like debugging this is definitively not fun. Right? It's just not fun, chat. It should be working, like, it should just be working, dude. Okay, so anyways, I'm out, chat. We tried really hard. There is no point, dude. There is no point. I don't want to have a headache. And yeah, like it just sucks, dude. I'm frustrated because it kind of like impact my workflow. Now I'm one video late and etc. etc. It just, this is not good, man. It's just not good. So we'll be back on Friday. On Friday, I'm gonna test the beta alpha stuff for NVIDIA. Okay, the new descriptor. Be really careful about what you watch in between because there is a lot of stuff which are like, you know? And yes, I have new content coming out. Hey, what the? New content coming out. Especially for this guy here, which is gonna be awesome.
Ooh la la, la crème
So
de
this
la
is
crème
gonna be
crème.
out. And
Le
we'll see how we
best
manage.
club on
Okay, chat?
Internet. Ooh la la, la crème de la crème club.
My
The
man!
news croissant, the best club on Internet.
My man!
Ooh la la, la crème de la crème club. A news
Team!
croissant, the best club on Internet.
What is that? Is
Ooh
that
la
you,
la,
team?
La crème de la crème club. A news croissant, the best club on Internet. Ooh la la, la crème de la crème club. A news croissant, the best club on Internet. Ooh la la, la crème de la crème club. A news croissant, the best club on Internet.
For the boys, thank you very much, buddy. OMG, thank you very much. Thank you very much. You didn't have to do that. Thanks a lot.
Ooh la la, la crème de la crème
Guys,
club.
if you got a
A news
membership from
croissant,
team,
the
please
best
thank him,
club
okay?
on Internet. Ooh la la, la crème de la crème club.
What? There
A
is
news
more?
croissant, the best
Dude, how
club
many
on
did you give?
Internet. Ooh la la, la crème de la crème club.
Bro!
Croissant, the best club
Keep
on
some coins
Internet.
for you, dude.
Ooh la la, la crème de la crème club. A news croissant, the best club on Internet.
T-
Ooh la la, la crème de la crème club.
But
A news
what is
croissant,
happening,
the
chat?
best club on Internet.
listen, I'm gonna try, but
Ooh la
I
la,
we'll see how
la
it goes,
crème de la
dude.
crème
I
a news croissant, the best club on Internet.
Yeah. Thank you very much for the gifted sub, dude. He broke the internet. Who did that? I know there is Steam. Guys, thank you very much, okay? Thank you very much for all the love. I think it was Yuk0. Thank you, Yuk0. You didn't have to do that. Keep some of your coin to dude. Chimeng0, thank you very much. I'm gonna try to dig into that, but it's too hard to do live, right? Because I have to stop the stream, start the stream. It's not nice to watch. I have a video coming for the camera up there. I got a sponsor stream. We'll talk about that later. Like, I'm gonna push the video, but yes, I think it's gonna be a pretty nice watch. Tomorrow, I don't know if I'm gonna push something. I don't think so. We'll see. And Friday again, we'll be back for
Ooh la la, la crème de la
for
crème
the
club.
stream, for
A news
testing.
croissant, the best club on Internet. Ooh la la, la crème de la crème
What is
club.
it? We're gonna be
A
testing,
news
chat.
croissant, the best club on
The
Internet.
Nvidia driver, chat. Did
Ooh
we
la
get
la,
another
la crème de
donation?
la crème club. A news croissant, the
Victory
best club
MK2,
on
thank you
Internet.
very much, brother. You didn't have to.
Ooh la la, la crème
Guys,
de la crème
thank you
club.
very much.
A news croissant, the best club
Thanks a
on
lot.
Internet. Ooh la
Like,
la,
deep down,
la
I
crème
want
de
this
la
machine
crème
to
club.
run on Linux because
A
I
news
know it
croissant, the
works.
best club
I know
on
it, I
Internet.
know we can make it work.
Ooh la la, la crème de la crème
But it's
club.
just like,
A news croissant, the best club on Internet.
I don't know. Thank you very much, Victory MK2. Much, much, much appreciated. Guys, you are awesome. Thanks for all the love. Thanks for everything, chat. Guys, if you got a membership from Team Victory or Zero, please thank them. Also, enjoy the special access to Discord. And if you like the show, don't forget to support the channel, continue the membership, or go on Patreon. Okay. We are out. Testing NVIDIA on Zero. No. I'm going to be testing the NVIDIA IP on CachyOS, dude. It's a pain on using Linux until you solve it. It's a pain forever using Windows. That's gonna be the good work, the good word,
Ooh la
the
la,
good
la
word
crème
for
de la
ending the
crème
stream.
club.
This is so
A
true,
news
dude.
croissant, the best
Guys,
club
thank you
on
very much again for
Internet.
watching. I'm sorry about this stream.
Ooh la
I
la,
feel
la
like-
crème de la crème club. A news croissant, the best club on Internet. Ooh la
I
la,
feel
la
like
crème de la crème
it
club.
was not the best
A
stream.
news croissant, the best club on Internet. Ooh la la, la crème de la crème club. A news croissant, the best club
Did we
on
get something
Internet.
else? Chat, did we
Ooh la
get
la,
another
la crème
donation
de la
here?
crème
What
club.
the heck is
A
happening?
news croissant, the best club on Internet.
Logic Slayer coming strong.
Ooh la la, la crème
Who is
de la
over
crème
gifted?
club. A news croissant, the best club.
Jude! Thank you very much, guys. Gotta show some love. Thank you very much, Logic Slayer. Thanks a lot, dude. Thanks a lot, guys. You're awesome. Thank you very much. This is incredible. Thank you very much. Like, I'm on one hand, listen, on one hand, I'm super happy because I'm like, dude, you are here, right? On the other hand, I'm like, man, this is the worst stream ever, and you are still here. So I'm like, thank you very much. Dude, it's fine. This thing have to be ironed out. We are here to help. Thanks. It just sucks, right? Just sucks. Guys, thank you very much. Guys, this is awesome. I don't know how to say it, but thank you very much. Guys, if you If you got a
Oh là
sub
là, la crème de la
from
crème
Logic
club.
Slayer,
A
please
news croissant, the best club on internet.
enjoy
là,
the Discord
la crème de la
access.
crème
Also
club.
enjoy.
A news croissant, the best club on internet.
Bro.
Oh là là, la crème de la crème club. A news croissant, the best club on internet. Oh là là, la crème de la crème club. A news croissant, the best
Who is
club
that?
on
Who
internet.
did it? Chat, who did it?
Oh là là, la crème de la crème
Who
club.
did it?
A news croissant, the best club on internet.
Do you know what I'm gonna do with
Oh
you?
là là, la crème de la crème club. A news croissant, the best club
Yeah,
on
this is the
internet.
best stream ever. Exactly. You know what I meant? Like, this is the best stream. But on the other hand, I'm like, is it the best stream because I'm literally doing nothing here? I can't even fix the problem. Piotr, thank you very much for the support. Let's go! We have Discord access as a channel member. Yes. So if you, so there is a Discord. The Discord is public. The Discord is on discord.airmax.com. That's the address to go there.
Oh là là, la crème
But if
de
you
la
are a
crème
member,
club. A news croissant, the best club on internet.
if you are a member,
Oh
you
là
have
là,
access to a
la
special
crème de la
place
crème club. A news croissant,
where
the
everything
best
is
club
happening,
on
dude.
internet. Oh là là, la crème de la crème club.
What is
A
that?
news croissant, the best club on internet. Oh là là,
What did
la
that? Like,
crème de la
okay,
crème
I'm gonna
club.
stay here, chat.
A news
You
croissant,
want
the
me to
best club
continue
on
to debug?
internet.
We can do that all day.
Oh là là,
What did
la
that, chat?
crème
I
de la
can see
crème
it.
club.
I
A
think
news croissant, the best
Hermonta
club on
say it's
internet.
Chris. Is that you, Chris?
Oh là là, la crème de la crème club. A news croissant, the best club on internet.
Well, time to sleep on stream. Hey, don't push me, man. I have the bed just there. Chris, thank you very much for the support, broski. Thank you very much. Guys, if you got a gifted sub from Chris or Piotzi, please thank the generous donator. Thank you very much. Guys, this is awesome. Welcome to La Crème de la Crème Club, to all the new members. If you enjoy the show, please think about continuing the membership on YouTube or switching to Patreon. Patreon is really nice. You get the same feature, except on Patreon I make a little bit more money. Like a little bit more actually. And you have access to the Discord. So the Discord is, as I was saying, the Discord is open to everyone. But if you have a membership, automatically if you connect your account to Patreon and Discord, bam! You have access to the secret channel. The secret channel where everything, dude. Everything happened. Guys, nothing happened, but... Nothing exceptional happened, but... You are here with us. Okay, so... Think about that, chat. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for all the donation. We're gonna stop. I need to fix this stuff. Now it's becoming personal. Thank you for the stream. Next will be more successful, I promise. You promise, dude? Okay. I'm gonna be waiting for you next stream, brother. Everything could happen. Think about that. True. That's a fair statement. So guys, I am out. Thanks again for everything. Okay, you didn't have to do that. But I really appreciate it. It helped a lot. I will be back Friday. Sponsored video. I think I'm gonna push it today or tomorrow. We'll see. Maybe tomorrow because there is no rush. And yeah, we continue. Have a good rest of your day. And maybe on Friday it could happen. As says the Corben, everything could be fixed. Thank you very much, chat. I am out. Au revoir. La crème de la crème, papa. Thank you again. You guys are the best. Okay, even if the stream sucked, it was literally like me launching, breaking, losing my hair. you were still around, and I appreciate that. I appreciate it very, very much. Take care, guys. And as always, bisous.